Hey guys, welcome back. This is HXG here with another video. So today I'm going to show you how to improve your streams and how to improve your video content on YouTube as well. Okay, also don't forget there's still a giveaway. The giveaway ends on Monday at 12 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so make sure you do that. It's going to be in the comment section down below. Alright, let's get into this. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is hit the settings button at the bottom left. It's a little cog. Alright, so what you're going to go to is not stream, you're going to go to output. Okay, so you see how it says there's 4 tabs. So you see how it says streaming. So you're going to make sure it's clicked. Under this section you can choose software or AMD. So because I have an AMD GPU, okay, it's going to say AMD. If you have an NVIDIA, it'll say like NVAD or something like that. Okay, so you want to scroll down, leave everything the same. I left mine balanced. You can choose it to quality, it's completely up to you, but balance has been working fine for me, so I haven't changed that. Now, target bitrate, you will typically see 3500 sometimes or 6000. On consoles it is 6000 because they capped at 6000. So I put mine at 10,000. Once you set yours to 10,000, if you're streaming on Twitch, it will be 1080p 60 frames per second. Okay, and I'm an affiliate, so maybe that also helps as well. But there was people that were streaming that weren't affiliates. Now for the video, it's the same thing. I set mine to software. Software means your CPU. My CPU is a 2700X. Okay, it's a Ryzen 2700X. It's a beast, so I'm going to leave it like that. Again, I left it at faster because that was the preset, and you know what, I haven't had any issues, so I didn't change that. So as you see, the bitrate is 10,000 as well, and that will make sure anything that you record from your console on an Elgato will come out 1080p 60 frames per second. Okay, so I'm going to show you quickly how to make sure when you go to YouTube, when you're streaming on YouTube, to make sure that you have low latency. Okay, give me a second. When you set up a stream on YouTube, you can set it up to stream at a later date. So that's what I did, just so I can show you this. Make sure you don't show your stream key to anyone. All right, so at the bottom, as you see, we have normal latency, low latency, and ultra low latency. Normal latency, you will not have, that same time response with people that are watching. Low latency, you will have almost real-time response time when you're playing a game or whatever. And ultra low latency, you will have the best interact. As soon as something happens, the viewer will see it and respond, and you have the same exact time to talk to each other. It does not support 1044p or 4K. All right, so far when I've been streaming, I've been locked at 720 60 frames per second on YouTube. So I don't know if I have to have reached that $1,000 sub mark in order to have 1080p 60 frames per second. And also I think they don't support that just yet. Okay, so over here they have other settings for you to do. As soon as your stream is over, you can choose to have it set to like automatically hidden from everyone, so that's a choice. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to do this on Twitch. Now, for those who stream on Twitch, you're going to click your name. You're going to click Creator Dashboard on the right-hand side, okay? And once you get here, under Stream Manager, you're going to click Preferences and then Channel, okay? So here you're going to see everything. You're going to see stream key, all of that. And at the bottom, you're going to see latency speeds, okay? So I have mine already set to low latency speed. It's not really real time as ultra low that YouTube has, but it's close enough, and as long as you have a great bit rate, your speeds of your internet is great, you shouldn't have any issues. Okay, now if you have a weaker CPU, of course you don't want to put these settings, but anything of a Ryzen 5 and up or i5 and up, you should be perfectly fine with these settings. I hope these were helpful for you guys. If it was, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe. In the comment section down below, there is a giveaway link for a headset. Alright, HXG.